Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see what happens if I miss the test, that is TCS NQT test, by mistake or intentionally. Alright, so what will happen if my test is scheduled on 24th and I miss it on 24th? Okay, so will I get a second chance, or else I will be totally, that means I will miss the test for permanently. Okay, so if these are the questions which are there in mind, then you should watch the video completely, because we are going to talk about this one. So what will be the type of next chance, how it is given, and what will be the time period for this one. So all those things we will be discussing. All right. So let me just first show you the message which I will be getting from the TCS when we miss the test. Okay. So you assume that you have missed the test on 24th, and then you will be getting a message like this. So I on DSK. So in case you were not able to complete the exam or lost time due to interruptions, so be rest assured that you will be provided another attempt. So make sure, see here, they are telling that you will be provided with the another attempt here. So you can see this one. So another attempt, they are already bold here. Okay, so for NQT, next attempt date and time will be shared by 25th October, end of the day. So you have missed on 24 and on 25th they are sending you this text message saying that don't worry, we will be sending you another test link where you can take the test again. So that means once if you miss the TCS NQT test, then you will be provided with the another test date, but you should choose the method online there. So if you are allotted with a center and you are not able to reach that center there, then they will be not providing any other chance, because it's an offline test where you have to go physically and sit in front of a computer and give the test. So like we normally do, but due to this pandemic they have provided an another opportunity where we will be able to give an online test, means we will be sitting in our home and giving the test. So if you have chosen this method, then they will be providing you another chance. So how their email look like, so let me just show you that one as well. Okay, so the email which they will be sending will be something like this. So you can see here, TCS NQT revised date and time. So revised date and time to me, dear candidate. So due to unforeseen situation, the scheduled TCS NQT was disrupted earlier. We regret the inconvenience caused to you. However, a revised schedule has been drawn for all the affected candidates to finally take the NQT assessment. Okay, so they are telling that we will take again a test. Then revised date is 28th October 2020, and they will be giving some time. So time and date will vary, but you will get a chance for sure. The login details and the assessment process remains the same as earlier. So before this you could have got some mails where they will be giving you the different types of steps and how to take the exam, what will be the procedure, how to register for the exam. Okay, registration for exam is very important. You have to register half an hour before, or else if I don't register half an hour before, then what will happen? So if you don't know what will happen, then you can check the playlist, guys. You will find the video regarding that one also. So we have done the video on that one. So what will happen if you don't register? Okay, then, in case you had successfully completed the test without any issues, you can ignore this mail. Your previous score will be considered. However, if you decide to write again, be informed that your latest attempt only will be considered and previous score will be ignored. So, if you have already completed, then still you don't need to give this exam again. But if you want to give this exam again, but you have some, I mean. You think you have missed earlier something, then you can give it again, but the point is that the latest score will be considered for the exam. So the previous score will be discarded, and the next, where whatever you will be getting here will be considered for the finalizing the final marks. Okay, so that's about what will happen if you miss the TCS NQT exam. So I hope you like this video and found this useful. Please guys, if this video helped you a little bit, please hit the like button and smash that subscribe button, because we will be uploading these type of continuous videos regarding many types of different jobs. So thank you, thanks for your time guys. See you in the next one.